Map products to GL accounts for automated reporting. Accounting group configuration begins in the Finance module to ensure precise financial reporting. The System menu provides access to master data settings for operational consistency. Accounting groups link inventory items to specific general ledger accounts for automated bookkeeping. A new group name establishes a unique identifier for mapping product financial behaviors. The inventory asset toggle determines if items in this group appear on the balance sheet. Inventory purchase general ledger defines the account used for recording stock acquisitions. Cost of sales general ledger tracks the direct costs associated with generating revenue. Purchase return general ledger manages financial reversals for returned supplier goods. Sales general ledger captures the primary income generated from item transactions. Sales return general ledger ensures accurate revenue adjustments when customers return products. Inventory adjustment account handles value changes from stock revaluations and adjustments. Provisional general ledger tracks estimated liabilities before final invoicing is completed. Tax group applies the relevant fiscal rules to all group transactions. WHT group enforces withholding tax compliance based on regional requirements. Cost center and profit center assignments enable granular departmental financial analysis. Tax calculation method determines if rates are applied as inclusive or exclusive. Submitting the configuration synchronizes operational inventory movements with real-time financial statements. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.